Hey guys, so this is our first Movember update from here at Central Group, and clearly you may not even recognise me. I don't think I even recognise me, but it's gone. We've had a couple other boys, D-Mac, Brad, Louis, our transport and rental manager. Their photo should hopefully be flying across the screen now of a fancy, new age transition. We've had a couple of donators already, and we definitely need to get some more of you. So I understand at the moment, butter's about $900 for half a kilo, so it is pretty tight out there. But if you can, please find anything and spare anything. Please, we'd appreciate if you do donate or consider donating. If you can't, then please just share this. Just share this out there. Share the message. Share our videos. Share our Give a Little page. Just any bit helps in sponsorship for this great foundation and great cause. No real report on the mustache front just yet, but early days, guys. Early days.